Atkins Civil 3D video series, SWR 2C, existing sewer services. This video illustrates A. Create existing sewer service pipe network, B. Default settings for the network, and C. Create service pipe and cleanouts. Due to the differences in labeling styles, a separate pipe network is created for the existing sewer service laterals. Change default settings, right-click the drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, pipe, change the current existing sewer service, okay. Pipe network section, pick the current existing sewer service, okay. Pipe or structure profile, pick the current existing sewer service, okay. Structure, pick the current existing sewer service, okay. Right click pipe network, edit feature settings, default styles, pipe default style, pick the current existing sewer service, okay. Structure default style, pick the current existing sewer service, okay. Default parts list, pick the current existing sewer service, okay. Create existing sewer service pipe network, home ribbon, create design panel, pipe network icon, pipe network creation tools, network name, existing sewer service, network parts list, existing sewer service, layers, existing sewer service, okay. Surface name, existing surface with aerial, alignment name, Ken Crown, pick the primary road, structure label style, existing sewer plan, pipe label style, existing sewer plan, okay. In the Network Layout Tools dialog box, check that the name is correct, parts list is correct, existing surface is correct, and alignment is correct. Structure type, cleanout, 4-inch cleanout, pipe, sewer pipe, 4 sewer pipe. Toggle slope directions downhill, draw the sewer service laterals from the building to the sewer main. Pipes only, as prompted, pick the end of the sewer service lateral pipe near the building. For the other end, pick the end of the pipe near the sewer main. A pipe in the existing sewer service network cannot connect to the existing sewer pipe network. Escape. Repeat for all existing sewer service laterals. Draw pipes only. Escape. Escape. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.